Hi everybody. Today I have the box from Fashionsta. This is the August box for 2021. I have no idea what's in here. Not even one item. So let's take a look. This month's theme is Express Yourself. And has all the descriptions of the products and the prices. Alright. And all of this stuff. So the first thing I see is from Bellapierre Cosmetics. We have Twist Up Brow Pencil in Deep Brown. Okay. We do get a lot of Bellapierre products in these subscription boxes. Oh, it has the brush on one end, which is nice. And the brow part on the other. Twist it up so you can see. Okay. You can always use more brow products. And this retails for $20, and it says Ultra Slim Retractable Brow Pencil for maximum precision when filling in brows. Oil-free, non-comedogenic formula, delivering smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural. Paraben and cruelty-free. Okay. And the next thing is, a big bottle of from M. Greengrass. I do like their products. This is the hand and body butter. And the fragrance is Malibu Surfer. Let's see what it smells like. It smells very nice. A little bit tropical. A nice pleasant scent. And this retails for $24. And it says a luxurious, ultra hydrating and nourishing hand and body butter designed to absorb quickly while leaving the skin quenched, restored, and protected. It's vegan and is cruelty free. Let me try a little bit of it. If I can get it to come out. There we go. Oh, it is nice and thick. It smells really nice. And the notes are described as sweet pineapple, banana, Brazilian jasmine, toasted coconut, and amber. That's nice. Okay. And then this little item, it's not listed on the card, but it says Elm Vegan Beauty Facial Sunblock. Okay. Organic and cruelty free. It only has a few ingredients and they're all listed on the bottle. Okay. Let's see what it smells like. It smells kind of citrusy. It's a nice pleasant smell actually. Not like what you would expect from sunscreen. It's very nice. Okay. And then the next thing, another Bellapierre product. This is the HD setting spray. It retails for $19. I'm not sure if this is a sample though, but it says retails for $19. Goes on without leaving your skin feeling sticky or greasy. Locking your makeup in place for hours. Summer sweat proof and less transferable for flawless looks. It's also paraben and cruelty free. And it's supposed to give a lasting matte finish. I believe this is a sample size though, so let's try it out. I don't think I like the spray. It's too wet. I won't spray it on my face right now. Okay. It's not a nice fine mist. It smells good though. Alright. And then from Mirabella, we have the iconic winged eyeliner and stamp kit. This retails for $20. It says create the perfect symmetrical cat eye every single time with this liner and stamp duo. Quick dry waterproof formula, paraben, gluten, and cruelty free. Alright, this sounds interesting. Winged liner stamp kit, especially for me because I cannot do a winged liner with my hooded eyes. Okay, it says there's a stamp on one end and the liner on the other. So let's see. Get the plastic off. It doesn't have any instructions, but there is the liner. It goes on smooth. And this is the stamp. It's shaped like a triangle. So I guess you stamp that on the outer corner of your eye and then use the liner to like fill in the rest. It might work. It's an interesting concept. Alright. It's not smudging at all. And I have the hand cream on my hands from this liner is not smudging at all. So that's good. Okay, we have something else from Mirabella too. It's called Sculpt. And this retails for $32. It is the Sculpt Contour and Bronze Duo. It says easily blendable mineral-based pressed powders to create dimensionality on the face. Can be worn alone or layered to create a variety of looks. Paraben, gluten, and cruelty-free. The case is really pretty. I like that. Let's see the colors. Okay, well, it has a mirror, but these colors won't do, will not bronze or sculpt me, so I'll just give this away. But it's really pretty. It has a heart and XO embossed on the powder. That's really pretty. But I won't touch it because, like I said, I'll be giving this away. And then the final item is from the Beauty Crop. This is called Espresso Yourself. Eyeshadow palette retails for $21. It says 21 matte and shimmer shades formulated with coffee extract to reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes, and antioxidants to brighten and tighten. Also vegan and cruelty free. The box is really cute. It has a little cafe with the women walking away with their coffee. Very cute. Okay, let's see what the palette looks like. It's nicely wrapped in here. There's bubble wrap inside of the box. So it should be nice and safe. There it is. Very cute. There's a mirror here. And these are the shadows. Let me take the plastic off. They don't smell like coffee, but they have coffee inspired names. This is nice. I like it. Nice neutral palette. Colors go from very light to very deep. I do like that part. Alright. This month's box had a lot of makeup in it. There's usually a serum and some facial stuff and then a palette. But it's rare that we get a lot of makeup items, which I like. So the only skincare that we got was the M. Green Grass Hand and Body Butter. And the sample of the Elm facial sunblock, vegan, with natural ingredients. And we also got the Mirabella Sculpt highlighting and contouring powder, and the Mirabella Iconic Eyeliner Stamping Kit, right there. And then from Bellapierre, we got the HD Setting Spray and the Twist Up Brow Pencil. And from the Beauty Crop, we got the Espresso Yourself Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. I like this box. We had a lot of different items in here, and we usually get like 6 items, but this time we received 7 items. So that's everything that I got in the box from Fashionsta. Thank you for watching. Bye.